Welcome back. In this video, we see the features and tech specs of MSI Raider 18HX laptop. Model number of the laptop is 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩𝐭𝐢𝐨. Let us see the features. This laptop model comes with latest Intel Core 14th generation CPU. This CPU has Intel ABT-TVB feature. ABT-TVB feature will automatically boost the clock speed of the CPU cores when required. Display is 18-inch Ultra High Definition Plus 4K resolution display, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics, 6 speakers audio system, Cooler Boost 5 system which has 2 fans and 6 pipes, manual shutter for webcam for privacy, fingerprint reader and 1000 nits peak brightness for HDR supported. CPU of this laptop model is Intel Core i9-14900HX CPU. Base clock speed is 2.2 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 5.8 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost. CPU has 24 cores and 32 threads. 24 cores is of 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores. CPU has 36 MB L3 cache. Chipset is of Intel HM770 chipset. GPU is Intel integrated Intel Ultra High Definition graphics based on 14th generation Intel CPU. Also there is a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 mobile graphics processor which can process 686 trillion operations per second. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 has dedicated 16 GB GDDR6 graphics memory. As the standard configuration, this laptop model has 64 GB installed memory modules. These are DDR5 RAM modules populated in 2 slots. There are total 4 DIMM slots available for expansion. Storage is 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD model. There are 2 M.2 SSD drive slots available for this laptop model. Display of the laptop is 18-inch mini LED display screen. MSI is the first laptop maker to come up with 18-inch mini LED display screen. Resolution is 4K which is 3840 by 2400 or Ultra High Definition Plus resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, IPS level panel with mini LED, 100% DCI P3, vibrant color gamut, 120 Hz refresh rate. Camera is 1080p Full HD infrared camera, can do 30 frames per second recording, 3 DNR plus for noise reduction, digital array microphone and manual camera shutter for privacy. For audio there are 6 speakers, 2 woofers in the back panel and 4 tweeter on the front. Sound is by DIN Audio, high resolution audio with Dynamic 3 audio enhancer. Let us see the ports available. On the left, there is one Kensington security lock slot, 2 USB Type-A Gen 2 10 Gbps speed port, 1 SD card reader slot. On the right, there is one USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 40 Gbps speed port. We can use this port for power delivery and for charging. One USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 40 Gbps speed port, one USB Type-A Gen 2 10 Gbps speed port, one headphone-earphone mic combo port. In the rear, there is one RJ45 LAN port which supports 2.5 Gbps speed, one HDMI 2.1 DC in port. For network, Intel Killer Wireless LAN card chipset is used, supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 version, and also for wired connection, there is a dedicated RJ45 port. RJ45 port is in the rear side. For input and keyboard, there is a silky smooth touchpad RGB backlit. This keyboard is a gaming keyboard by Steel Series. Fingerprint reader for passwordless authentication. Configure fingerprint reader with Windows Allo. Battery of the laptop is 4-cell 99.9 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. Power adapter is 330 watts AC power adapter which plugs onto the rear side of the laptop. Input voltage is between 100 volt to 240 volt. Output voltage is 20 volt and 16.5 amps. For security, we get manual web camera shutter and fingerprint reader, mic mute key, trusted platform module, Kensington security lock slot. Operating system of the laptop is Windows 11 Home 64-bit edition. MSI recommends Windows 11 Professional for business. Body is made of aluminum and plastic. Weight of the laptop is 3.6 kilograms. Color of the laptop is core black color. Let us see the upgrade options available for MSI Raider laptop. This laptop model comes with 64 GB memory installed. There are 4 slots available for expansion. We can expand up to 192 GB. To upgrade to 192 GB, we have to install 48 GB into 4 DDR5 memory modules. For storage, there are 2 slots. One is Gen 4 M.2 PCIe NVMe slot and the other slot supports Gen 5 M.2 SSD drive. Maximum 4 TB storage can be installed with 2 TB in each of the M.2 SSD slots. Warranty of the laptop is 2 years limited warranty. In the box, we get MSI Raider 18HX 18-inch laptop, 330 watt AC power adapter, user manual and backpack. MSI Raider laptops are recommended for modern users who need remarkable performance for gaming, content creations, animations, graphic designing, and for developers who are looking for cutting-edge laptop which offers exceptional performance and reliability.